Hello guys, hope you all are fine. So today's in this video I will tell you about YT Studio means YouTube Studio and some statistics of YT Studio, YT Studio Beta and YouTube Studio. So let's start our video. Navigate YouTube Studio. Here's I have my cell phone and I'm tell you from here about my YouTube Studio and YT Studio. YouTube Studio is the home for creators. You can manage your presence, grow your channel, interact with your audience and make money all in one place. You can also use YouTube Studio with the YouTube Studio app on your mobile device. Open YouTube Studio. You can go directly to YouTube Studio or follow these steps to get to YouTube Studio. Sign in to YT Studio. In the top right, select your profile picture, select YouTube Studio. Get around. Use the top of the screen in YouTube Studio to search your video and go directly to a video detail page. Upload a new video or go live. Get help. Visit your channel, return to YouTube, switch accounts or sign out. Manage your channel. Use the left menu to manage your videos and channel. Channel dashboard. Get a high level overview of new activity on your channel along with what's new on YouTube. Content. Find an overview of your videos and live streams. Playlist. Create and manage your playlist. Analytics. Monitor the performance of your channel and videos with metrics and reports. Comments and mentions. Comments. View and reply to comment on your videos. Mentions. If eligible, find a list of mentions that other creators have made of your channel. Subtitles. Add subtitles to videos or crowdsource them from your community. Monetization. If eligible, update merchandise and membership settings. Customization. Customize your channel layout, branding, and basic info. Audio library. Get music and sound effects to use in your videos. Note. Sign up to join our YouTube Creator Research Program to help build a better YouTube for creator. Manage your videos. In YouTube Studio, you'll see different tabs in the left menu depending on whatever you're viewing your entire channel or a specific video. To manage a specific video, visit the content page and click the videos. Thumbnails. You can also use the search bar to find a video. Details. Change your video's title, description, and setting. Analytics. See metrics available at the video level. Editor. Trim your videos, add end screens, add audio tracks, and blur your videos. Comments. View and reply to comments on that video. Subtitle. Add translated title and description to your videos. Watch how to navigate YouTube Studio. Check out the following videos for the YouTube Creator channel on how I navigate YouTube Studio. So basically there's some settings about YouTube Studio. Now we can check over YT Studio Beta. When we will search over YT Studio Beta, here we can see Google Play YT Studio Beta. Is also a small YouTube Studio Beta page. If we can open it, we can see YouTube Studio Beta. They're reviewing YouTube Creator Studio and want to help. They're changing the name to YouTube Studio and planning to add a bunch feature you've been asking for: smarter insight, smarter video management, smarter account access. Join the beta to help the build and refine the early version studio. So guys, this is our today's video. I will tell you about my YouTube Studio beta, and how you can sign in and manage your videos or something in your YouTube Studio. Hopefully you will like my video. If you like, please push a like button. See you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.